Hey guys, geometric patterns, take 3. No more phone calls, please. Alright, so we have a quadrilateral. They want to know how many degrees are in it. So we divide it and see we have 2 triangles. That means 180 plus 180, we get 360. Hexagon. With a hexagon, we divide it into 1, 2, 3 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. 4 times 180 is 720. The next one we do an octagon. When you do an octagon, you're going to have to trust me there's 6 triangles, and that's 1,080 degrees. But they want each of the degrees, or each of the angles. So, divide by 8 and you get 135. Today we're trying to figure out and recognize patterns. Describe them, then extend them. They're all geometric. We're dealing with shapes. Alright, so we have 1, then we have 1, 2. 1, 2, and then to the right, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Now with the circle, we have the dot on top. My guess is the dot will be to the right, or excuse me, will be to the bottom, since it went top, then top, bottom. So now we go top, then bottom. Let's see how we did. And we did do that. And now the next one would probably have a spot on that side, the right side, and the final one, spot on the left side. From there, we have 1 circle, then 3, then the same 3 with 1 on top, then 2 rows of 3, then 2 rows with a circle on top. The next one is going to have 3 rows of 3 is my estimation. Then the next one would have that, and the next one we would add those 2, and you'd have 4 rows of 3, and that would just continue growing upward. Now, here we want to notice how these grow counterclockwise. Dot, 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 dot. Clockwise. So if we're going on the outside, we've got a dot on top. If we go clockwise, we'd probably also have a dot there. Let's see if it be. It is. The next one would have a dot here, and then a dot there on the 4th one after that. So, that's pretty interesting. Now we've got these triangles. 1 goes up, then we have that one up, and 2 added down. Notice it again, it flips, and we add 2 to the bottom. So we will flip it and add 2 to the bottom, and that's what we do. So the next one, we will flip it. This triangle, the green one, will be up, and it will have 4 triangles on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's facing up. The next one here, excuse my writing. I did tell you it was take 3. Alright, now we have this shape, then we have 2, then we have all 4. But to go from this shape, I went left, or counterclockwise. So my guess is that they would draw a triangle like that. Because if we did that, we'd get here, and then for the next one, it would be right there. Let's see how we did. Did we estimate and guess correctly? Looks like we did. Now here, from 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to we don't know what, then we don't know what to 16. Well, if I go from 1 to 2, I double. Or if I go from 2 to 4, I double. Well, I'm thinking if I go from 4 to 8, I double, and if I double 8, I get 16. Let's see if we were correct, and probably looking like that. Alright, now we have blue. Then we have blue-red. Now you get to laugh at my color problems. Then we have, I don't know, but we have 2 yellows it looks like, or a yellow and a green. I'm not sure. They're indistinctive to me. So, with this information, we went from 1 to right across to the right. So if we go to the right again, we would go to the bottom. And that looks like what we did. This one, we go from here. Hey, I see this same shape, and we added 2 rows to this one. I see this same shape, and we add 1 row. Oh, we missed one in here. So that one would probably look just like that, is my guess, just the part circled by the blue or triangled by the blue. Let's see how we did. And that's what it is. We add 1 row to the left, and we go up 1 more triangle each time. That's the pattern I see. Now here, Travis is painting a platter. Identify a pattern that Travis is using and draw the finished platter, or what the finished platter might look like. Red dot, then green, then red circle, then green, then red circle, then green, then red, and then the next one. Would it be a thin green and a thin red? Let's see. Be a thin green, a thin red, and then a thick green. That's how they were doing. It was thin, thin, thick, thin, thin, thick, thin, thin, thick, alternating colors each time. This one. Purple, blue, purple, blue. So, I would guess we'd go purple and then blue. And we've got our design. That's about everything I've got for you today. Hopefully it comes pretty easy. Bye-bye.